Hi dear students, welcome back to English grammar class. And today in this video I am going to teach you past tense. Can you say which are the four divisions of past tense? Simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. In this video I will teach you its verb form, its uses, which are the actions is coming in this past forms, and examples. Let's go to the first lesson, simple past tense. We can make sentences by subject plus verb form. Verb form should be in the past form or in the V2 form. Completed actions in the past at a definite time. These actions we can write in the simple past tense. Okay, completed actions in the past. One action it is completed in the past. For example, I visited London last month. That last month, the visiting London, that action completed. I visited London last month. Mani gave his book to Ram. Yesterday or day before yesterday or last month, Mani gave his book to Ram. I visited London last month. Mani gave his book to Ram. These two actions completed in the past at a definite time. There is no need to mention the time in this simple past form. Completed actions in the past we can write in simple past form. Okay. How we can make the sentences? We have to write the verb form, second form of the verb or the past form of the verb. For example, here in the first example you can see the verb form is visited. How we can make the past form? We can add ed with the verb form, then we will get the past form. Okay. So most of the verbs in English we can make the past form of these verbs by adding ed. So I visited. Visited is the past form of visit. Visit, visited, visited. But one difference you can see in the second example. What is the verb form? Gave. Here we did not add any d or ed. The verb form gave is the past form of the present form give. Give, gave. Okay, give, gave, given. So you can see one table here. Some verbs I have written. See that V1, V2, V3 form of these verbs. Give, gave, given. Meet, met, met. Build, built, built. Buy, bought, bought. Bring, brought, brought. These examples, these verbs, second form or the past form we did not make by adding ed. So these type of verbs are known as irregular verbs. Okay, irregular verbs. So the first action we have seen here, completed actions in the past at a definite time. Second action, to express habitual actions in the past. Okay, while in Delhi I played football every day. This is not present habitual action. In a simple present we have written I drink coffee every morning. That is our present habitual actions. Okay, but here see, while in Delhi, while I was living in Delhi, I played football every day. Not now. That time it is my habit. It was my habit. Okay. Second example, when Peter was at school, he worked hard. That time he was working hard. He worked hard. That was his habit that time, but not now. It completed. Okay. So the past habitual actions also we can express in simple past form. Subject plus second form of the verb or the past form. How to make a past form also? I told you regular and irregular verbs are there. Regular verbs past form we can add ed or ed, but here gave. Okay, so example gave, that some particular words are like that, irregular verbs. You have to learn that irregular verbs. In another video I will come with this regular and irregular verbs. That time you can learn more about verbs. Okay students, we are going to next tense, past continuous tense. Continuous form already we learned in present continuous. Continuous verb form easily you can tell. In continuous forms we have the past continuous form or the present continuous form. We should use the auxiliary form. In continuous form especially we should make the ing form of the verb. Okay, all continuous form you can see this ing form. So how we can make a sentence of a past continuous by subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing. Okay, so one more table is here. See that if the subject is I, he or she, it, we have to use the singular verb, singular auxiliary was. Was is a past form. You, we or they. In past form we have to write auxiliary form were. You were, we were, they were. Okay. Yes. So which action we can write in past continuous? Okay. Present continuous means at the time of speaking that action will be going on. Action is going on at the time of speaking in the present time. So easily we can tell what will be the past continuous. Correct. Past continuous, one action was going on. It was continuing in the past. Okay. Easily we can make a comparison with the past continuous. While learning this grammar, you have to compare each tenses. Okay, then it will be going to your mind very easily. We can keep it in our mind. Okay, so Leela was writing a story when Meena called on her. See, here two actions you can see. Meena called on her. Leela was writing. Okay, two actions were in the past. One action will be longer than the next one. Example. Meena called on her. That is one action. Meena visited her, but that time one action was continuing. Which action? Leela was writing. See, unfinished ongoing actions in the past. Okay. I was reading a novel when the bell rang. Here also two actions. The bell rang. I was reading a novel. So when the bell rang, that action completed there, but that time one action was continuing. I was reading a novel. At midnight, we were still driving through the desert. Okay, it's clear. Past continuous, was or were. That don't forget, was or were plus verb plus ing. The third division of past tense is past perfect tense. Past perfect. We can make sentences by subject plus had plus past participle or the third form of the verb. Past participle or the third form, I have told you in the previous video what is past participle form. The first past action we can write in the past perfect. What is the meaning of the first past action? That means two or more actions were in the past. It is completed in the past. In that, some actions completed. In that first action we should write in past perfect. Okay. Past perfect. Present perfect verb form, do you remember? Have or has. We have written have or has plus past participle form. Past participle form. But here, instead of have or has, the past form of this have or has, we should write had. Okay. Subject plus had plus past participle or third form of the verb. So, I told you first past action. See this example. When we got the theatre, the movie had started. Two actions are here. We got the theatre, the movie had started. Can you say which action happened first? Yes, movie had started. Okay, movie started, that is the first action. That action we have to write in the past perfect tense. Clear? Another example. I was sick because I had eaten too much in the previous night. Two actions. I became sick. I had eaten too much in the previous night. What is the reason for my sickness? Because I had eaten too much. Okay. So I had eaten too much. That is the first action that we have to write in the past perfect tense. Clear? Another example. Joel rushed to his boss' office, but she had gone home already. Actually, Joel was running to see his boss. But what happened? That boss had gone home already. So that action happened first. That action we should write in the past perfect form. She had gone home already. The last tense of past tense is past perfect continuous. Subject plus had been plus verb plus ing. Okay, had been plus verb plus ing. To show an action that was continuing before another action began. Okay. Present perfect continuous, what we were telling, we already learned. Here past perfect continuous, everything is happening in the past only. Show an action that was continuing. It was continuing before another action began. Two actions also happening in the past and one action was continuing before another action began. Okay, example. I felt really tired because I had been driving all day. Second example, it will be more clear for you. She had been waiting for 2 hours when the doctor finally arrived. Okay. Actually, she had been waiting for 2 hours. Doctor did not come. When the doctor, but the doctor finally arrived there. That is the second action. Another action began there. Doctor arrived. Before that, she had been waiting 2 hours. Clear, students? So, one action that was continuing before another action began, that we can write in past perfect continuous. Another example, the ground was wet because it had been raining. Okay, it had been raining. One action was happening. It was continuing. Raining, it was continuing because as a result, the ground became wet. Clear? So, in this video, you have got clear idea about this past tense. All the past for divisions: simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Learn well all the verb forms and examples. Compare present tense and past tense. Make your own examples from your, while reading one tense, you have to make your own examples and what happened in the past. Okay, all the past tense when you are learning what I completed yesterday, which action I completed, when two actions was coming, which action was continuing. Okay, like that we can make examples. Then it will be easily you can that identify or understand these topics. Okay, hope you got clear picture about past tense. Learn well. Thank you, students.